Do you think someone may have accessed your Gmail account without your permission? Maybe you noticed strange activity, emails being opened, password reset messages, or logins from unknown devices. Well, Gmail actually allows you to check exactly where your account is logged in, including devices, locations, and recent activity. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how to check if someone logged into your Gmail account and what to do immediately if you notice suspicious activity. Welcome back to Zimist Coded, where we make technology simple and practical. Let's get started. First, open Gmail in your web browser. Once Gmail loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom right corner of the page. You'll see something called Last Account Activity. Right beside it, click on Details. Now a new window will appear, showing recent activity on your Gmail account. And this part is very important. Here, you'll be able to see the type of access, the browser or device used, the IP address, the location, and the exact date and time the account was accessed. Now take a careful look through the list. If you notice a device, a browser, or a location you don't recognize, then there's a chance someone else may have accessed your Gmail account. But that's not all. You can also check every device currently connected to your Google account. To do that, click your profile picture at the top right corner of Gmail. Then select Manage your Google account. Next, go to the Security section. Scroll down until you see Your Devices. Then click Manage All Devices. Here, Google will display all devices currently signed into your account. This may include phones, laptops, tablets, and browsers connected to your Gmail. Now, carefully check the devices shown on the screen. If you see a device you don't recognize, or maybe an old device you no longer use, click on that device. Then select Sign Out. And just like that, that device will immediately lose access to your account. Now, if you strongly suspect unauthorized access, you should also change your password immediately. Make sure you use a strong password, something unique and difficult to guess. Avoid using simple passwords like your name, birth date, or 123456. And for even better protection, enable two-step verification. This adds an extra security layer to your account. So even if someone somehow gets your password, they still won't be able to log in easily without the second verification step. Checking your Gmail login activity regularly is one of the smartest ways to protect your personal information, your emails, and your online accounts. And that's how to check if someone logged into your Gmail account. If this video helped you, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more practical and helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.